Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. Actuarial program at Illinois State University is at smarturl.it/actuary. That's the program which I direct, and you should study with us. If you would like to offer tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today, for June 3rd, 2018. It's a problem on exam FM, Financial Mathematics. You are given the following. In the portfolio, you have assets of 100 in market value and duration of 5.2, and liabilities of 85 in market value and duration of 4.4. Estimate the change in economic surplus if as interest rates decline by 50 basis points. So surplus is assets minus liabilities. And you can treat the surplus here as basically a portfolio of these assets and being short the liabilities. Basis point is 0.01%, so 50 basis points is 0.5%. And here's the solution. The surplus before the change in interest rates is S equal to 100 minus 85, and that's 15. Based on the durations of assets and liabilities, we estimate that the change in assets divided by the assets is minus the duration of assets times the change in interest rate. We plug in the numbers, that comes out to be exactly 2.6%. And for liabilities, it's minus the duration of liabilities times change in interest rate, and that turns out to be exactly 2.2%. So the new value of assets is approximated as 100 times 1.026, 2.6% increase in the value of the assets, and that's 102.60. And the new value of liabilities is approximated as 85 times 1.022, so 86.87. And the new value of surplus is the difference of the two, which turns out to be 15.73. So this gives the change in economic surplus as 15.73 minus 15, or 0.73. Or you can just directly calculate the value, the duration of the surplus as the weighted value-based average of the durations of assets and liabilities, where liabilities are treated as a negative position. And the allocation is 100 out of 15 of surplus is allocated to assets, and negative 85 out of 15 of liabilities allocated to liabilities. So actually it's negative 85 out of the surplus. The surplus is 100 minus 85. 100 is from the assets, negative 85 from liabilities. That's why where these coefficients come from, times 4.4, so that's approximately 9.733, and so on. The change in surplus divided by a surplus is approximately minus the duration of surplus times change in interest rate. The interest rate declined by 50 basis points, so it's 0.5%. We plug in all this and we get 4.8666 and so on percentage increase in the surplus, and that percentage of 15 is 0.73, the same answer, and that's answer D. Please remember, this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.